Project Cornerstone is so excited to give Dr. Barbara Varenhorst our annual Spark Award. Her work has touched the lives of thousands and thousands of youth all across the country.
I was given a grant from the State Department to develop an exemplary guidance program, and so I started talking to students and asked them what we really needed to give them to be a complete guidance program. And they kept saying that they went to their friends with their problems, but often when their friends came to them, they didn't know how to help them. I didn't want to hear that. I wanted them to tell me that they needed us, but it finally broke through, and I said, let's teach them how. And so we started the program, and we started programs in all the states through the National Association of Peer Programs, which I helped to start. And it has even spread to some international countries.
Here at Gunn, we are all a part of a club called ROCK, which stands for Reach Out, Care, Know, and it's a peer counseling and support group.
After 2009, the school kind of became notoriously known for being super stressed out, but when I came here in freshman year, I was introduced to this club and I realized the whole other side of Gunn and how there were so many people that were willing to just help me and help all the others.
When you have a peer group like ROCK, you have this ability to communicate with people and you can help them and relieve some of that pressure that they may feel.
The work that she's done has had its lasting effect on our school, and I'm so appreciative, as our school is, for everything that Dr. Barbara has done.
We are two students from Saratoga High that thought that our campus was having real troubles with our atmosphere and general environment, so we created a group called Common Roots.
And so we chose a trainer, Dr. Barbara Varenhorst, to help us, counsel our other peers.
She taught us how to really talk to people, how to understand exactly how people are feeling, and really to empathize with people.
She has inspired them to continue her work, and they're connecting with the students here and helping everyone feel supported and feeling welcome on this campus.
I think the impact of Barbara's work on Project Cornerstone is that it has given it a depth of meaning from the standpoint of many of the assets, but I think probably the one that stands out the most for me is that youth as resources. We so often overlook the ability of young people to not only help others, but to help each other, to help them, to help their peers. They need the support and the skills to be able to do that. That's been Barbara's mission ever since she got that grant back in 1971.
From my perspective, Dr. Barbara's legacy is the hundreds of thousands of lives that have been touched and influenced by her work, by her vision, by her inspiration. I think she has saved lives. I think she has helped youth realize the role they can play in supporting each other. And I think she's taught adults that youth have value and that with the proper skills, the proper training, they can be the best helper. Thank you, Dr. Barbara. We appreciate everything that you've done for Project Cornerstone and for the youth, not only here in Silicon Valley, but all across the country.
Thank you!